This short video will walk you through the steps to install the new version of Falcon BMS 4.37. Note that you must own and have an official and properly licensed copy of Falcon 4.0 base already installed. This guide assumes that you have already downloaded and uncompressed the installer from the Falcon BMS website. Things have changed with the new version. Instead of having to download all the necessary files manually, a convenient Falcon BMS downloader is now provided, simplifying and streamlining the process. Browse to the location of the installer. You may see a warning from Windows Defender saying that it doesn't recognize this app. Go ahead and click Run anyway. As the installer starts up, hit Next, and then you'll obviously want to select to install Falcon BMS 4.37. At this point, the program starts to download all the necessary files. Depending on your internet connection, this can take a while. I've sped it up so that we don't have to sit through the whole thing. Also note that a BMS downloads folder is created in whatever directory you're in when you launch the installer. Once all the files are downloaded, the installer will begin extracting the files. Note that the installer may pause for quite some time while checking the hash of the download. Just be patient and let it continue on its own. Once all the downloads are completed, you should be presented with the setup file. If you did not see this, go into the BMS downloads folder and you should find it. Double-click the setup file to launch. Note that it may take some time before anything changes on the screen. This is a 4 GB file that it's parsing through, so it could take a minute or two. Patience, young one. Once the installer finally comes up, you're ready to go. Just click Next, agree to the terms. This is where you choose where you are going to install Falcon BMS. You can browse to where you want to install it. I keep mine on the E drive. You can put it wherever you like. Accept all the defaults and hit Install. I know that I already have DirectX installed, so I don't need to install that. If you're not sure, go ahead and click on it. Again, this may take some time. Just be patient and let it roll. Once it's done, you can choose to have it create a desktop shortcut or not. Click Finished and you're ready to go. At this point, you could click No to check for that update. I just said yes to see what it would do, but there was no update. Now, launch Falcon BMS and verify that you're running 4.37. Congratulations, you've successfully installed Falcon BMS 4.37. If this tutorial helped you out, please strike a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.